Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet me again in new CNC channel. Okay, in the previous video, we have learned about installing Ubuntu desktop in Virtualbox. Now, I'm gonna show how to install Ubuntu server version in Virtualbox. Okay, the first thing, in the previous video before, you must uh, prepare ubuntu.iso for our tutorial. Okay, because we have download the ISO. Okay, here my server version is 16.0.0 server using 64-bit. You can download in the Ubuntu official site for this server. Don't forget, don't using live version, but using server or desktop version if you want to install Ubuntu. Okay, I click this and choose Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. For name, I want to using new server like this. For the memory size, I want to make uh, bigger is 3 GB and create virtual hard disk now using VDI and dynamically allocated in here. Okay, and for file location and size, let's using 20 GB for example in here, and then you can click setting and choose network to bridge. So we will the same with your adapter. For storage system and processor, we can make using two in here. For video memory, let's make bigger, is using 50 MB. Don't forget in the storage, because we have embedded this in here, let's choose our Ubuntu server ISO. Click OK and then start your Ubuntu server to begin the installation. Okay, let's using skill mode in here. I want to choose English. I want to install Ubuntu server using these guys. Okay, the language English version, and country territory, let's using other. For example, I'm using Asia because I'm still in Indonesia. Let's uh, check this for United States. You can try to have your keyboard layout detect by pressing a series. If you don't want to do this, you will be able to select your keyboard layout from list. Detect keyboard layout, I'm just no. And for keyboard layout using English United States. The process is take some time guys, so you it's better if prepare the coffee or tea while you do installation in Ubuntu. Okay, in loading additional components here. Make everything automatically, but uh, later we will configure manually, while installation let it automatically configure, because we can configure later with manual. Okay, network auto configuration failed. Just let it. We will configure network manually, and I usually configure the IP using this configuration, guys, because this is my guess. And for gateway, okay, I'm using this width. Okay, now in the configure the network, for hostname I want to choose news enc like this, and then tap to continue. Domain name news.co.id, and continue. Full name for the new user, let's make this for solid sites. For example, for user account I make solid sites. Password, okay, I want to make 1 till 5. Use weak password, yes. Encrypt your home directory, I will choose no. Setting up the clock. Okay, select a city in your time zone. I'm using Jakarta in here. Okay, detecting this and all hardware. Starting up the Pertiner. Okay, if you pro, you can using manual, but if you just newbie, you can use entire disk. Okay, I will show the manual because this is more clearly explanation in here. Okay, in the free space, because we uh, surface or save approximately 20 gigabytes, like create new partition for 10 partition in here. I want to using primary for ext, yes, and for this I want to using uh, 10 gigabytes using primary, also using home, guys. Okay, and the last I want to using uh, this size for logical, and then for uh, swap area. Okay, just finish, and yes, install or installing the system. Okay, we have to learn about uh, using Ubuntu server with desktop, but in the next video I want to show you installing just only terminal, because some system administrator is usually using only terminal rather than include the desktop system. Okay, configuring the ABT for HTTP proxy information, we can just let blank in for non-proxy. Just continue. Okay, this step is in select and install software. We need to install just desktop and no automatic updates. Let's select this guys. Okay, standard system utilities is uh, using our standard. Clicks continue here, or just select continue. Samba is for printer, LAMP, DNS, manual package direction. Just using standard. Select and install software. Okay, there is installing group bootloader in here. You while install the group bootloader, you must install this. If you don't install the master boot record, your Ubuntu will not uh, booting or loading here. Okay, now finishing the installation. Just wait until your Ubuntu installation or Ubuntu server installation is done. Okay, 33% here. Now our Ubuntu has finished the installation, and click continue in here. Okay, wait until boot, and don't forget to release your DVD or ISO. You can back to certain control plus C in here. Let's select devices. Okay, nothing checked here, so we can using host plus C again to using scale mode in here. Okay, We have now Ubuntu server version 16.4.4 LTS. Let's try to log in here and using password 1 till 5 and sudo to super user in here. I'm sorry, who am I now? Okay, guys, uh, you need to, okay, our server installation has finished. Now you can configure anything in the server in ATC directory. So, I think it's enough tutorial how to install Ubuntu server in VirtualBox. Don't forget to subscribe to get anything update about Ubuntu and VirtualBox. Thanks for watching and bye bye.